Industrial services. Plant managers and superintendents depend on RōBEX. As industries continually look for ways to reduce operating costs, RōBEX delivers a wide range of critical services. Manufacturers large and small count on RōBEX expertise to keep production lines running at optimal speed. With decades of in-plant experience, we are committed to on-time, on-budget completion of installation and/or maintenance projects. Turnkey installation. RōBEX has expertise in mechanical, electrical, civil, structural engineering, fabrication, PLCs, system controls, and 3D simulation. Customers appreciate our ability to plan and execute major turnkey installations. Mechanical. RōBEX mechanical expertise is legendary. Every installation, rebuild, upgrade, or replacement involves seasoned mechanical knowledge, planning, and hands-on expertise to ensure a cost-efficient solution. Electrical. RōBEX thrives on complex control and production line challenges. When new machinery requires electrical upgrades, our experience with UL panels, controls, traditional and wireless data tracking comes through. Structural, civil. Plant managers know RōBEX has the structural, civil expertise to remedy in-plant operational hazards and structural support damage. We are also frequently called on to remove damaged or obsolete equipment. Fabrication. Every production facility has its own unique design, layout, systems, and requirements, and not every part is off the shelf. So when an installation or upgrade requires a custom fabrication, you can count on RōBEX. PLC. An innovative engineering-based company, RōBEX performs installations in a multitude of plant settings. Our experienced technicians will help train your personnel on-site in the operation of specific equipment. System controls and upgrades. High-quality products result from well-maintained equipment and intelligent controls. Count on RōBEX for control upgrades, panel design, labeling, barcode systems, data tracking, programming, and much more. Responsive service. Depend on RōBEX to help solve your urgent production line problem. Faulty conveyor, stretch wrap machine, damaged column, or something else. We understand the importance of keeping production lines running. Contact us today to learn more. 419-270-0770 or email us at service@robex.us.